Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, we must take to religious system. That is humanity. You take any religion system, but you must know what is the aim of religion. Not that simply profess, I am Christian, I am Hindu, I am Muslim. But what is the purpose of becoming religious? That you must know. That is intelligence. Simply don't be proud by saying that I am Christian, I am Hindu, I am Muslim. That's all right, you have got some type of designation. But Bhagavad says that system of religion is perfect. What is that? Savai pungsang paro dharma jato bhakti radho khaji. That religion, that system of religion is perfect. Savai pungsang paro means perfect, without any defect. What is that? Jato bhakti radho khaji. By which, by becoming follower of such religious system, if you become a devotee of God, that is perfect. It does not say that you become a Hindu, or you become a Muslim, or you become a Christian, or Buddhist, or any other thing. It is very liberal. So whatever system of religion you accept, there is no harm, that's all right. But see the result. What is the result? Jato bhakti radho khaji. Whether you have understood God, and whether you have become a lover of God, then your religion is perfect. Simply for stamping that I am Christian, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, there is no profit. That is also explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Dharmasanusthita pungsha vishakshena kathasujat notpadayadaratingijadi sramai vahi kevalam. Dharmasanusthita, whatever religion you profess, it doesn't matter. And you are carrying out very nicely. According to the religious system, you are following the rules and regulations and doing everything. Dharma sanusthita pungsha. By carefully executing the religious principle. Vishakshena kathasujat. If you do not become anxious to understand more and more about God, Vishakshena katha. Vishakshen means God. Kathasujat. Notpada endalating jadi. If you do not become attached to hear about God more and more, then it is samaya vaikiva, simply waste of time. Simply waste of time. Because religion means dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranita. Religion means the order given by God, and you follow. This is the simple definition of religion. Other ritualistic ceremonies, formulas, going to the church or going to the temple, these are details. But real dharma means, some substance of dharma, religion means to abide by the orders of God. Yes. That is religion. Dharmant sakshat bhagavat pani. You cannot manufacture religion, and what is actual religion, if you follow, then you are religious. The actual religion is the God's order. That is everyone follows some principle of religion to understand God. And in our Vedic system, the only purpose of life is to understand God. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. In the human form of life, we have no other business. No other business that cats and dogs are also doing. And we are also doing. That is automatic. It is not that other animals, they are starving. They are also eating. And we are also eating. But the facility is, the other animals, lower than the human being, they haven't got to do any business or any profession or go from one country to another to earn livelihood. That is their advantage. And our disadvantage is that we are trying to find out better food stuff and rotating all over the world, and we are still not getting. So their advantage is better. The birds, the small birds, in the morning, just early in the morning they will rise up and they will chirp and they will go out, because they are sure that our food stuff is ready anywhere. And that's a fact. They go to any tree. What the bird will eat? 4 or 5 small fruits. But there are innumerable fruits in one tree, and there are innumerable trees. Similarly, take any animal, even the elephant. In Africa, there are so many elephants, millions of elephants. They eat at a time 40 kg, and we supplying food. They have no business, they have no profession. How they are eating?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama